Hello, it's Simon Zutshi here, and in this video I want to tell you about a literally life-changing opportunity which you can take advantage of if you move really quickly. You see, each year we give away a fully paid scholarship on my Property Mastermind program. This year, 2020, the investment to do Mastermind is £24,000, and yet you could win a place where we completely waive that tuition fee. Now, this is a scholarship open to anyone over the age of 18. You could be living anywhere, but you need to get yourself to Birmingham once a month for the 10 live workshops, and also to come to our 3-day Mastermind Accelerator, which is also included as part of this prize. This is an opportunity for someone who maybe couldn't normally participate in Mastermind, and each year we look for that one special person. Now, I want to make sure I give this a highly valuable, life-changing experience to the right person. So there are a couple of loops to jump through to make sure we do find that worthy person who's going to make the most of this and really value this incredible opportunity. So if you want to find out how you can do this, you need to click on the link below this video. Come and join me in a webinar while I explain exactly what is involved in Mastermind and how this scholarship is going to work. And then there's an application process. Now, it's amazing when people say, oh, I'd love to do this, and yet they just don't take action. 85% of your success is just showing up in the first place. So this is a genuine opportunity to change your life for the better, to come and join me on the Mastermind program. Other people are going to be paying £20,000 plus VAT, so £24,000, and yet you, or one of the lucky winners, can come completely free of charge. Now, because we only have one winner, we do actually have 10 runner-up prizes, and 10 people are going to get £1,000 off our residential 3-day Mastermind Accelerator. So why not click on the link below, register, come and join us. Make sure you put your application form in. If you think about it too long, you're going to miss out on this opportunity. So I encourage you to take action right now. And as always, invest with knowledge, invest with skill.